Welcome, Damie. How are you? Also, hello everyone. Welcome to today's dev stream. I might as well say hi now. Yeah. That's good to hear. Hey Wendy, yeah, I got affiliate. How are you? Also, welcome to today's stream. No, I might as well start a little earlier. Gonna need to do that. I got it like the week. It was either a week or a few days before Christmas. So I've had it for a little while now. I just didn't blow it up everywhere, all over everything, because I don't know why. Probably should have. Yeah, how is... Thank you, Wendy. How is everyone? Am I sneaking through there a little bit? Yeah. Oh no, I just realized something. Everyone ignore this. The one thing I forgot. Last stream went perfect, so I guessed there was something I was going to forget this stream. But apparently it's with my avatar. Sorry, Damie. So, I don't think I've kept too many people up to date that aren't in the server about the Lost Souls at the minute, the current state of it. So, at the moment, for now, we have a map that's somewhat built up. Still needs some tweaks I'm making over in the Blender side, but also I now have this asset pack here that's in this menu down here. And with this asset pack, what I'm going to be doing is I am going to be building up the environment of the house. That's good to hear, Wendy. Also, it's great to have you here. This I do need to move, but I'm not moving it until I can be bothered to make a light map. For it. Yeah. I don't think I can get any of that stuff because UK. Also, this asset pack came with a lasagna in a tray. So I'm thinking I'm gonna make some little meme joke about it somewhere. Something along the similar lines to the what is it? The cake from... Oh no, I didn't, did I? I'm an idiot. I just realized this room is glowing a little bit because of our little friends right here. Have I completely forgot about. Also, where's the phantom? There's the phantom. I'm gonna need to show them in heist. Wait, did they get? Yeah, they got the upgrade. No gap there. Got this couch in place, which I'm going to give to specific someone to create a new texture map for. These won't be openable when it comes to Velocil's release. Well, this version of Velocil's release, because, simply put it, they're hollow. Compared to... Never mind, not going that way apparently. And we're dead. Typical. But yeah, these ones, the kitchen furniture of this asset pack are hollow. Compared to, like, these ones up here, which are not. It's kind of... It's slightly irritating, but at the same time, it's kind of like, oh well, what can you do? And I really don't feel like modifying something made of triangles to get what I want out of it, out of these ones. So what I'll probably do is assets for the kitchen probably have sat lying about in the open that the player needs to use, and then actually hide stuff in the assets above, or the non-kitchen assets. However, the fridge is fully built inside. But the oven and dishwasher aren't. But basically this has helped me not worry so much about trying to think of the words. They're not coming to me. This basically takes a load off me that I was stressed about, and I didn't want to do too many streams of nothing but 3D modeling, which is the route it was going down with a map and stuff. This has shrunk, this door frame. I think it might be that way. Nope. Let's do 0.5. That actually looks like a better door length. How to find and lose my mouse. Also, Wendy, with the new avatar. What do you mean I'm mean? With the new avatar, I now have 2 other outfits. And the OC is still there. Yeah, I had to make the spooky ones worth a little more. Okay, I'll reduce it by 50, if that's better. Yeah. So the maid dress is redeemable along with the original outfit. So I have this one, which is more chill, the OC, because I still like the OC a lot. And then the maid outfit. Luckily I have them all hotkeyed, so I don't need to go hunting on the software and keep it hidden. I'll do the quick, I'll reduce the, Phasmo one as well. Actually, what I'll do, I'll reduce the sound on one of these by 10%. There, it's done. Yeah. I'm glad you like it. To be honest, this outfit, surprised me. Because, I basically asked Damie for the maid outfit, and Damie decided it was time to update the original, outfit design. And I got surprised by this one. So yeah, basically Damie spoils me with the avatar upgrades. You really did. I really appreciate it.
It looks good.
And if you heard that, my parents said it looks good. Well, one of them did.
I just can't get onto Quacky at the moment.
Also, like, I'm surprised that since taking up streaming on a full-time schedule, I'm surprised that since July, which was when I took up as full-time schedule, now at 77 followers. It really means a lot to me. Even if most of them aren't here currently. Give me a second. Oh yeah, Wendy, there's now a new dedicated streams on Monday, so that's dedicated to Stardew Valley.
Oi, you do your admin job. Piece them up. Go on.
So
Keep going.
I decided to make a new stream instead of having to wait every 3 weeks for Stardew, because if I'm gonna complete Stardew at least once on stream and maybe go for it again with more, yes, 5.5 hours it lasted, Damie. Because of how nuanced Stardew is, I decided to put Stardew as its own dedicated stream on a Monday. So yeah, more quick thing, I'm gonna turn this into a little bit of a meme, like the cake from Portal. Basically, the players are never gonna be able to eat it, but it's gonna be there. Some cases they won't be able to click on it, other times a cage may appear on it. So I'm gonna be evil to the players with steaming lasagna. Let's move that there. I think it's this one. Yeah, that one. Okay, yeah, so I have a slight problem here with the fact that, Yeah. As Amy found out, I find Stardew too addicting. With the fact that I played it for 5.5 hours and then did some things I needed to do without the mods on, off stream. Because, Abigail's mum's necklace that's up at the swimming baths, you can't fish it. With one of whichever mod it is that alters a house. So I just launched Stardew in normal for a moment off stream, so I could go grab it. You're never gonna live that down, are you, Damien? The fact that it was 5.5 hours without warning. At least you know for future Mondays. Just Stardew is one of those games I can keep on playing no matter what. I know I'm reducing the size of some of the stuff. I may reduce the living room a little bit more on this way. Okay, let's grab some furniture to... Okay, which side table do you think I should go for? This one here? Or this one for this corridor? For the hallway? I mean, I also have this one here, and side table B here, which is more like drawers. Also, did I stick a washing machine in the Oh, here, yes, I did. Other things I'm gonna shrink is the bathroom, which is why I've moved this stuff here so I can chop some off this. This room's gonna shrink a bit too, which actually I need to... No, give me... No, the fucking canvas is always getting the damn way. There we go. I'm gonna shrink this room size a little too. And... what else? Yeah, this is gonna move a little bit this way as well. Let me move my site to down here again. I might as well just turn to face this way so I can line them all up. Here you go. Here they all are. Thinking what I may do, I may make a little bit of a mix of this one and this one. So, like, do you mean these two here? I mean, label them, if you see, like, 1 to 4. That one being 4, that one being 1. Then I know which ones, for definite.
Go away.
Fina, come here.
Go do your job as admin. Don't look cute.
Okay, 1 and 2. Anyone else? Because I want to try and get everyone's opinions on this. And Athena apparently wants to fight me, so yay. Puppy attack. Yep, the chewing has begun on my hand. Thanks, Athena. I'm gonna give you a scratch and I get chewed on.
Tell him to go back to cute.
Right, you, sit. Athena, sit. Ah! Right, she's announced that. Okay, 1 and 2 it is. Let me quickly obliterate these two. So I'm thinking what I may do is I'll put 2 of them over here against this wall. Because like, I'm thinking now that I want the house to be semi-accurate, not fully accurate. So that way I can still give the players some maneuverability without worrying about it. Oh, it's not being what I wanted. We'll put this one first. Because I think we'll leave this corridor alone on its dimensions. So yeah, at a later point, I can put little animation clips on these to open and close. So then then I can use them a lot more. Wasn't sure. I think what I had also in mind is compacting the kitchen along more so I can compact the hallway. Yeah. Well, like, the thing is that at the minute for downstairs, the only place the player can escape the phantom is on the is in here. So, like, the heck is that? Oh, Nvidia has an update for my GPU. I'm not going to do my own stream because it will screw stream over. Yeah, I want to shift all of this along a bit. It's like, let me open Blender quickly.
Thousands of hours of work lost.
So what I want to do, here, if I grab all of these, grab this from 2, enter edit mode, go into vertices, I'm not gonna import this into Unity for a while. That should bring the kitchen more to more reasonable size, I think. Then if I grab all of this and shift this along. Oh. Looks like Horner didn't want to tag along. There we go. Ah, that didn't move with it. Because when it comes to getting this structure into Unity, it'll be as simple as me deleting it and adding in the new one, the updated one. Well, deleting the prefab. Then I won't actually need to move too much. Sorry about that, and yes, Steamy I am as always. I'm still a little ill from the illness that plagued me last week. I'm feeling better enough to try and get streams back to what they should be. Hina is currently hugging one of my shoes, guarding it for some reason. I have no idea why. So yeah, this room I have shrunk in length. Not sure if I've done the width yet. This room I've shrunk a little bit. What I may do up here, I didn't want to focus too much on this on stream, so I'll be moving rather quickly back to Unity as soon as I can, as soon as my brain lets me. Also, I randomly wanted to make swords last night. I was trying to get some sleep, but had appointments that was keeping me up, but I wanted to make a sword for no reason. Ads coming up, everyone. Let's just quickly shuffle this along. And it seems that I have a slight malfunction here. So yeah, that doesn't mean I'm gonna have to move stuff up over in Unity when it comes to importing this updated map in, but it shouldn't be too much of a problem. But I've set all the origin points to their masses. Because let's look at this thing's axes. Yeah, they're all normal. Athena's now decided to nap. Lo-fi always freaks me out when Sunny has voices. I keep meaning to check out that app that Streamlabs showed me. Give me a second. And it looks like this needs to be shrunk a little bit. By the way, if I switch to a game later, which I probably will, I won't be switching to Sea of Thieves. Because I feel like I've done too many, like, second halves of streams where they've been Sea of Thieves at this point. So it'll probably be, so I won't be adding that one to the list, even if it's funny to see me get a bit raggy at spawns and stuff. Who quacked? Thanks for the quack, Alex. Why didn't that come up in the chat? Because that wall isn't lined up. Ah!
FBI, open up!
Who did that one? Thanks for the reading, Margaret. Why are they not... Hold on, let me switch to mod view just so I can see if the sound alert spot is actually there.
X!
Yeah, nothing. No, the sound alert spot has just disappeared. Oh, forgot about that. Yeah, so, no, what I mean is that, sound alerts, nearly always puts in the chat. The bot itself, the part of the sound alerts that is the bot, has disappeared. It's gone on strike. Why has it done that? Let's leave it here for now. Yeah, I'm glad it worked. I just find it really weird. Because both Stream Elements and Nightspot are there, just that one's gone nah. Oh, now it's back. Oh, not the smell. Yeah, it's returned now. Right, I'll switch back to my stream view so I can monitor things a bit better. Just also quickly lining up this wall because that's gonna bug me if that's for some reason broken. But yeah, Wendy, I still use all the mods you sent me in the list for Stardew. Thank you for showing me them because I appreciate it a lot. Right, I do want to use some of these lights combined with my own, but they're a little bit difficult because trying to think of words. I want my light switch for, no, that's not my one. That's for my one there. Is that the exact one? Let's backtrack it to its prefab. There we go. Is that the same material? Let's go into the drop down. I wanna... Is it gonna... Let me do it. Right, okay, so that's for like... That's that one there. Wait, where did that save itself? Just to turn Athena into like a mini version. Select. Right, okay, so there's that. Right, let's go into here. Materials, new materials. Pretty sure it was in the kitchen. No, no, it was in the living room. I think maybe. Actually, no, it wasn't in here. It was in the structures. Living room. Right, let's back out of that. There we go, it's updated now. Also, what do I have on this? So I'm gonna go back into the here and change its layer to interact. Yes, changing children. I think my best shot for like the reverse chandelier, if I want to use it, would be a ball light. Because if I go into the bought assets, prefabs, this one here, I think this would be best off as a ball light. Using ball lights for it. Let's try and get it so it's not disappearing through the ceiling. I may lower the ceiling too at some point. A little bit. Actually, yeah, I'll do that. Oh, will I? I don't know. Because the thing is, I've got the stairs here, but the stairs can easily be moved. And this ceiling here is a little bit high too. But anyway, we turn on the lighting. Go back into this. And what I want to do is... Where is it in the list? There it is. We're going to add a... Is it area lights I want? No. Lights. Point light, I think it is. Yeah. It's like if I had a couple of these in.
Dex!
Ah, why? Now it didn't appear again. Who did that one? Okay. Thanks for the reading, Damie. Let's actually drag this down to here. Actually, no. It's something up with sound alerts or something, because it's just dumping everything there now. So what I might do is I might just use the two. Is that just all piled in at once all of a sudden? Oh, let me go check sound alerts out a moment for see the dashboard of it. Okay, yes. It's just dumped everything in the chat all of a sudden. Also, for a little bit of fun, what we shall do is... Oh yeah, I'm gonna need to add to my watcher later. So the system I want to use to do this is the particle system. Which for some reason is appearing like that. Mind you, I did see something that I can use for let's turn this down to 0.2. I don't want it to be that. I may have to use the VFX system instead. Yeah, it looks like I might have to. Just give me a second. Because I'll need to check my other Unity project, the one that hasn't been on the stream yet. What I may do just to change things up from constantly just animating is, not animating, 3D modeling is create some little animations for these. Let's copy the name. Let's go create folder. We're gonna create a animation controller. Animcon. We're also gonna add a animator to this. And then on top of that, what we're going to do is actually, it's not this one we want, it's No, not animator. Animation. Okay, this one is the one we want. I'm gonna move plastic to the end of here because that's my source controller. The thing that I have the game backed up with. Top drawer. Open. And then we are going to create another one who we're gonna call this close. So we're gonna want this to be, let's say, 3 seconds long, roughly, to start off with. Add property. So yeah, this is what we want here first. We want the position. We're gonna drag this down to here. Then for the open, we're gonna add the same property. This one, transform, position. So what we're gonna do for the open is we're gonna move it out to about here. Actually, let's move it slightly a little bit back in. And we're going to hit this. So now if we play this, that's what happens there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this, go here, paste it, and now that closes. Then to link this up, I'm going to make this the default state. I'm gonna close the exit time on both of them. We're gonna create a bool of is open we're gonna add this in here as a true and add this one but change it to false. Actually, what I may do is set it has exit time, so that way they are allowed to exit instead of constantly being spammed. Because basically, if I was to hit play now, because the condition is to I've got to do something actually, and these are gonna spam repeat. Whoops. I need to make sure that these don't loop. Hi, Fina. Name me your friends here. The fluffy one. Trying to rob me of my food. Come here, Fina. She doesn't even want to get on my bed anymore. She just wants me for cuddles and then she disappears. Like a traitor. So what I'm going to do, with these set up now, also I'm gonna change these to interact. I made a mistake. I just realized that now. I've made the animations to the wrong thing. So I need this to go is we're gonna copy the component before removing it. I'm gonna add a property, transform position, and same on the clothes. Basically, yeah, these are gonna get quite hectic, but it will be it'll be worth the thing. Now what? She's now going around the other side to harass me. I think in the next half an hour, I'll put out a poll of which game to play. What? Give me a second. I think I still have that. Nah, I don't have that still. Now let's copy that, go to the close, insert that there, and then just simply drag, leave that at that. Actually, I almost said drag it, but it's because it automatically shortens the timeline when you next go into it. So what we're going to do to help simplify this a little bit for the script is that we're going to run a is open type thing. This we're going to change back to normal, but only for this. Because this, the draw isn't convex, I think the word is, so it's not turned the mesh into a solid block. It does have the whole compartment in it. And the way of going about this, I think, to get the objects to translate between player and the drawers is that, and have them working in the drawers, is to have the objects as children of the drawers. And then when it comes to picking up the objects, you just transfer the parents to the player instead of having it as the drawer still. Okay, yeah, so this is their mental shooter, by the way, that I've been slowly working on. What I'm after here is where I put it. It's not this one. What, Athena? What are you grumbling at me for? Is everyone doing alright in... Oh, ad. I have no idea who has an ad currently and who doesn't. But is everyone okay in chat so far? And enjoying the stream so far? What's that? Is that a literal just ring? I didn't know that was a thing. Anyway. Visual effect. Okay, that's not the one. Oh well. I must have modified it last night. Anyway, the player script. Where is the player in the list? We're gonna quickly just change this to sort by alphabet. Can't skim through the alphabet in my head. There it is. So what we're after is here in Interact. So what we're gonna shorten this by ray.object gets component dot anim no actually no, this probably would be best through a script. Give me a second actually. That's a new script. So in start, we're gonna first set up our serialized. No, this isn't gonna be a serialized field. So we're gonna set up a animator variable. Call it anim for short. I know I've got the IntelliCode to help me, but it's still, whenever the IntelliCode fails, it will still help me. And we're also going to add a public pool of... No, we're not going to do that. Well, we are going to add a bool called is open. And we're going to equal that to false up from launch, because we want everything to be closed. So what we're going to do is on is start, we're going to do anim equals get component animator. Thank you, IntelliCode. And we're going to create a public void called toggle cupboard, and then we're going to go if that's the wrong one, it's that one. If it's open, we're gonna go anim dot set bool Hey Don, welcome. How are you? Welcome to your first day as part of the Twitch mod, my Twitch mod team. We're also going to set the is open to false, and then we're going to do else if not is open anim dot set bool of is I slept rough but doing alright. I'm living off caffeine basically. As usual. Oh wait, I forgot the this. There we are. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna set a debug.log of cupboard state is equal to. So for anyone that doesn't know how to string together some stuff for debug.log to appear in the console, you would typically do add a plus after the end of the typing bit, and then you type in the variable that you want. Then what I can do is dot get components covered anim dot oh, I have two of these. Whoops. I'm gonna get rid of the other one. Who bonked? Thanks for the bonk redeem, Don. Okay, so that should be this setup. Right, so we're going to quickly speed over to this here. That's gone red. What's going on there? Oh, no, I don't want to edit it. There we go. This should solve the issue. One of those errors I'll deal with. It's just because I haven't set up any lights yet. I keep getting nudged by Athena. So yeah, now this is set up. I can set up to be a little bit more responsive because it's not fully. I'll fine tune that when it becomes more relevant. Mark as interact. And then cupboard. Then, to be honest, I should have just done this anyway. We're gonna add the cupboard anims. And then we're gonna add animators for all three. So then we're gonna go in here, cupboards, and we are going to create a new folder for side table B. Thanks for reading, Dean. Nice. Folder. No, that's not what I want. So I'm gonna need 3 of these. We're gonna go top, drawer, mid, drawer, and bottom drawer. What I'm gonna have for the like little cupboard door things, I'm gonna have them open together instead of separately. Just to save a little bit of hassle. No, she's after my noodles, if anything. So we're gonna go back into the animator. We're gonna create this, we're gonna do open. Then of course we're gonna do create new. But we're gonna call it close. Are you enjoying your ego being boosted, Athena? Your ego's already big enough. Never mind you reading all the praise in chat. Come here. I've now got a paw on my arm, apparently. She's going for the adorable, innocent look of the ears down and back. Whoa, she's looking around. Yeah, you want my noodles, don't you? Hmm? Thing is with Athena, she'll physically hug you. Like a human hug. Even if it means that, even if it's to get closer to your food. Now for the top one. Because here's the thing, the way I'm setting this up, it doesn't matter what the animation clips are called. Once this is done for each of these things, I can literally just throw the controllers, the animation controllers on the drawers. On other ones. To save me a lot of work of going through this again. It's one of those do it once kind of things. Right, we're gonna quickly hit save. And we're gonna quickly set these all to 3 seconds. And then I'll do the actual putting in the animations. The nice thing about Unity having an animator is that you can do these simple little animations like this very easy. I think you can do complex ones, but it's not as great as doing it in a 3D software. Just you would want to merge it in here, set up here afterwards after you've recorded the animation. Did I not create a... Strange. Now let's go to here, transform. Okay, they're all both there. Again, drag these all down to 3 seconds. I'll go back through and double check them all. Okay, we have them all. So I'm going to pull the close. I am going to quickly record the all of these. Because here's a useful thing about them all being child objects of the main body of these. They... Thoughts a moment. So I'm doing all this on the Z-axis then. What was I in the middle of saying? I don't know. I genuinely don't know what I was in the middle of saying. Yeah. No surprise though. Right, now for the fun part of the these. So as default. Make transition, quickly create a parameter of is open. Gotta make sure also it's named exactly. That one is true, this one is false. And we just go through each of these. Says default. Make transition. Yeah, I've genuinely forgotten what I was saying, which is so a little worrying. That one is false. That one is true. Ad coming up, everyone. I'll wait till after the ad is done before deciding what maybe to switch to. So because that's returning from is true, that one needs to be true. So we'll quickly go through that one. Yeah. True, false. True, false. These need to be the other way around. Thanks for the quack, Amy. Well, that's a problem. I've got to tell all these to not have a loop. Oh wait, something like that happens. Now they shouldn't be looping. And without needing to edit that script at all. Yeah, definitely gonna need to lower the roof. Because also you gotta remember that thanks for the stretch don't. The capsule is 2 blocks tall, which is in 3D space. Unity's measurement system is about 2 meters. So that's a 6 foot tall capsule. How does this behave? Is this just all one? Okay, yeah. We'll still not have the fridge under the cupboards because instead of creating too much of a mess of the folders, we might as well keep it contained under the cupboards, as that way the trying to think of the words. It's basically a storage place that opens and closes, so we might as well just have it as that. Then creating too many things and scripts getting way too messy. Hi again, Athena. So we're gonna quickly set this up again for the interact and cupboard tag layer. We're gonna set up an animator. Drag this one into here. And we're gonna create a fridge open. Fridge close. I'm actually enjoying doing the little animation slides a little bit, because sometimes when I get stuck on like 3D modeling or just scripting or just animation, I really need to change in them. So I can have a little bit more going on. Right, actually I'm wrong on that one. It's not the position we want, it's the rotation. We're again gonna put this down to 3 seconds. And then we're gonna rotate this to -90. We're gonna save that, Control C that, open, Control V. Hold on. Don't want to save that. We're gonna put -90 here. Copy there. Go over to this end. And paste there. Also, I'm pretty sure that... Yeah, this one doesn't seem to have a light. Because if it did, I would add in a little animation for the light too. So we're gonna go back over to the animator, set the default state to this. Just move these. The actual positioning of these doesn't matter, I'm just making it tidy. And it's this one that needs to be false. So I need to hunt down that script. Thanks for the hydrate, Damie. This one I'm gonna get rid of. Because I want to try and keep everything fairly simple, so I'm going to just use one script for all of these types of things. Because for the script, if the parameter is the same in the animator, and nothing special needs to happen for it to open and close, that's all I need, instead of having 500,000 scripts doing different things. Oops. It's the door I want to set to 0. There we go. Done now. So now apart from setting up the layers, and again I've made the same mistake. Whoops. Animations, cupboards, fridge. Turn off its loop on both of these. Because quite often whenever you load into a place that's been deloaded, even if you were there before, you'll quite often see the animations change to their state that they're meant to be. That is the wrong thing, yeah. That's a simple fix. And with that, now it opens and closes. Just want to double check that all the others work still. Now, if I'm not mistaken, I've got some of the same cupboards up here in... Once I remember where things are. In here, maybe? Do I have one? Yes, I have this one. So what we're going to do is we're going to grab all 3 of these, quickly change them to interact. Cupboards. And we're going to throw the animator on all 3. Go into here. Then it should be as simple as finding the right controller and throwing it in. I know that one's mids because it's the one I didn't click. Here we have no A out of them. So we'll quickly do this. We want draw, interact, cupboard, oh yeah, I need to add the animator. There we go. So now what we'll do, we'll quickly try and sneak past Phantom into there and test them. Because the animators aren't global, they're local to each object, so you don't need to worry about, oh, I've triggered this one before. Really need to fix that in Blender. I think I have. Oh, hello. It's hit me, hasn't it? Okay, apparently not yet. Why are you going into the one room I need to go in? I know it would be a lot more simpler to just disable the navigation, but I kind of enjoyed more developing when having to dodge my creation. And now it has seen me again. Okay, well, he's busy. I'm gonna quickly dart up here. I haven't set the thing, have I? Of course, the one thing I forget to do. The easiest answer, to be honest, is just making it into prefab, making these into their own prefabs. Then all I need to do is drop them in around the world. That'll be the easy answer. Which I may do at a later point. Bit weird, that isn't set up. Okay, that's opened. And it's still coming in. Okay, why is it not letting me jump now? Because I'm pretty sure I do have a jump on the player. Yeah, that's the jump hole there. Also, I will admit I am using a mix here of old and new input system. Like things like the movements, they're just a lot simpler to do in here with the old one. This I can change to the new one. Just little things. Yep. Just because of animations, I've ended up going on longer than I actually thought I would with this. So everyone in chat, Actually, I'll put out a poll. Just so lurkers can answer to if they want to. Actually, no, I won't put this question out. I'm thinking of switching to a game now because I'm not trying to burn myself out too much while I build myself back up to working a lot more. So if anyone's got any suggestions of a game that I could throw in. That's lurking. If you're not actively talking, Alex, it's lurking. Who quacked? First time I've ever jumped to the quack. So we're gonna put in this. Dead by Daylight. FNAF. Oh no, I'm gonna play in Stardew now just for the fun of it. Don't worry, I'm not in a Stardew mood right now. Even though if I touch the game for a second, I'll be in the mood to continue playing it. I'm not gonna put it in. I'm trying to think of at least a third game because I've got the FNAF Pizza Sim, the Dead by Daylight to add into this poll. Nah, I don't want to add Sea of Thieves because I've played it too many times on stream now in a short period of time, and I don't want to be known as the Sea of Thieves streamer. I've added in one in there. I don't have a Dawn of War installed, if that's what you mean by that. Plus, Games Workshop is very ragey at the minute with their new copyright system, so like I don't know how games are covered on that. Like a lot of short animations have been taken down, and then they've been hiring on the people to work for them. Like they've hired on the person who made Astartes, but now they've made Astartes exclusive to their website. I mean, at least they hired on the person. Yeah. Games Workshop has become a bit more money focused, basically. More than usual. What else do I have? Gas station sim, and we shall go for on the last one. Just for giggles, add that one in on the end. There you go, everyone. The poll is out, so feel free to go nuts over it. Yeah. I will admit, though, I am looking forward to Space Marines 2, which they announced. Because I think it's Captain Titus again from the first one, but now he's gone from an Adeptus Astartes to a Primarius. What's sad, though, is that some of the newbies don't even know about the Adeptus Astartes, despite the fact that it was only a couple years ago. No, Alex, you can click on an option to vote. It's a drop down above chat that says end of stream game. It's a little arrow to the right of it. Okay, so we got 2 for FNAF Pizza Sim and 1 for War Thunder. Ah, no, the flipping top of chat's thing that all of you will be able to see too has just decided to eat half of the chat. It's like, no, go away. Now! Right, got rid of it. I feel like I've been cursed with the fact that I put Pizza Sim in there. Okay, so, what I shall do is Actually, I'm also going to quickly copy that just in case it's not there on the BRB screen. Okay, it's there. Yeah. If I can finish on stream, because it gets pretty hectic. I mean, what, I've already caused an animatronic I didn't even welcome into the place to appear? Let's close that. Yeah. Actually, I need to change that into ready. There we go. Category should be changing now. Just gonna quickly refresh my things, my web browser. Let me just find a moment. Right, yeah, I've got to actually enter the game to be able to set up stuff. Okay, thanks for reading, Alex. Audio. And I'll quickly deal with lo-fi. Otherwise, it's going to be a very confusing mix, I think, for everyone. To be honest, I probably should have just moved it to Hangouts. Can you hear it? Why does the screen seem a little different? Yeah, so as usual, prepare for jump scares and stuff. It is me. It's not just me, right? Oh, right. So demanding. It's on. Who knew I'd have an army of a pair of gremlins when it comes to a maiden? Who did that? Thanks for reading me, Alex. Right, I've put the timer on. Who did that? Thanks for reading, Don. Right, okay, let's quickly grab this. Oh well. Now we can go face off, against everyone. If I remember, I have mold animatronics in here that shouldn't be in here yet, because they snuck in. Oh, that's horrible.
FBI, open up!
This is just me now. Get out. Get out of my vent. No! Oh, I'm actually hearing them.
Where are you?
Dicks!
Ah!
You may not recognize me at first, but I assure you, it's still me.
No one cares, Afton. I don't like this to just instantly be.
That was easier than I thought it would be.
Hmm. He just went for me straight off bat. It's like, why? Alright, let me eat some noodles quickly. Hi, Bobo. How are you? Also, welcome to stream, where I am currently panicking a lot. But I hope your day's going well. Athena's not having all my noodles. Right, let's get some of these done. Why?
Hello there.
It feels
Okay,
like...
thank you so much for the
my
follow.
birthday.
Welcome on in.
Did you have a gift for me?
Why? Thanks for reading. Why is that so long? Did I just find a rare version of it? Thanks for the bruh. Someone's in my left vent already. You little... Get out of my vent. I'm doing good. Just stressed. Okay, we seem to have gone back to their corners. No! I don't need this!
You may not recognize me at first, but I assure you.
Where are
it's
you,
still
Afton? You're
me.
probably in the left vent because someone was closer there. Ah!
You're not who
I heard the movement
expected
and went to
see.
change. Like, not having cameras or like a definite way to know where they are is what makes this one and FNAF 4 more terrifying to me. It really is. Really, I can't even order supplies. And of course there's an animatronic. Up whoever. Excuse me, can you please just stay out of my right vent? Yeah. I have some
Fascinating. What they have become.
I can't look away, I can't look away apparently. Get out of my vent. That's what I thought. Can you just stay out of the vent, please? Someone's gonna be on my left vent by now, aren't they? Get out of the vent. And Molten Freddy's giggling away in the distance. Worse than... I'm dead, I'm dead, I'm dead. I'm not dead. Can you just get out of the vent? Sorry about my rage, it's just they won't get out of the vent. They're like, yes, hi. I think someone's in my left vent now.
Dicks!
Nah, someone's definitely in my right vent. No, there's two of them. I couldn't do anything, they were both in the vents.
Bruh.
Don't you bruh me. Unless you're bruhing the animatronics. Well, if you brought the animatronics, that'd be fine. But yeah, I'm surprised that there's anyone, to be honest, streaming this FNAF in particular, with it being an older one. I'm hoping the music will keep them at bay for a little bit. Ah, okay. Wait, that's actually...
It feels like my birthday. Did you have a gift for me?
No, I didn't, baby. Now go away. Go hunt your father in the vents. Oh yeah, I just realized the Trash and Gang badge. Effectively, yeah. Yeah, that's a bit weird for only non-English speakers to be streaming the franchise. At all. This is why I never really got past this one. Really. There's someone in this vent immediately. I'm dead. I'm legit dead. This is RNG hell. I can't skip it. I can't. Here's the annoying thing is, when the adverts hit, you can't turn left or right. Get out of my vent! Someone's gonna be in the left vent by now. Two over there, two over there. I mean, that could be the same one. Right, let's try and bait them back up to there. Oh, why is it so loud? Right, we're doing maintenance while we wait. I heard him too. I heard him move over and I was ready to switch in. I got further. Oh, that printer is so loud. I think that's where the silence fan comes in. Thanks, Amy. Like, I'm so glad I put him on the stage. Because if I didn't, I'd be gone. No, I'm not. Whoever's in my vent can get out of this. Someone's in the vent. Morton Freddy's giggling away as usual. No, 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 no. Get out, get out.
It feels like home.
You may not recognize me at first, but I assure you, that's still me.
I'm dead, aren't I? I think you're more giggly. Really think
I always
I've got-
come back.
I've also got Fina trying to drag my stuff about for attention as well at the same time, and it doesn't help. And now she wants to brawl, apparently. Thanks for the high trade, Purple. Hold on a second. I'm not sure if you can hear Fina or not. She's busy trying to chew on my hand. Forgive me, Ward. She is really friendly. Just she's loves to play fight a lot. I don't even know why she's so hyper focused on me right now. She just is. So I've got to fend off 4 animatronics, I think the count is. And a puppy. We'll put him out there while we go through some of these. Why? No, I'm sure I can start just going wild in that corner, I think. I think one of them just... When
Not who I
the
expected
heck
to
did
see.
she get in the vent? I didn't even hear it. Like, I heard something last second and then dead. Like, I obviously heard her talking, but like, I heard a slip, a vent noise last second. think that's a big... No, that's not. That's them being closer. Right, they've backed off. Now they've come back up. So they have like a 2-stage thing, I think, with events.
You may not recognize me at first, but I assure you, it's still me.
Yeah, that's someone on my left. I went to turn to face
Bittersweet,
off him.
but fitting.
Alright, let's quickly get an idea of whether you are. Isn't it always Damie? If I die this time, I die this time. I'm just watching the moment. So, I don't think that's quite attack ready. The thing they have to be like about here on the sensor.
I heard your call.
You may not recognize me at first, but I assure you, it's still me.
I don't know. I honestly don't know. If I knew what
Did you
vents
have a
noise in
gift for
particular I was listening for, I'd get it, but I don't. Right, before I launch into the night again, does anyone know what the Q sign vent Q sign I should be waiting for? Because it seems to be about 2 or 3 before they are in like kill range. Right, because my theory is Bilal's noise, one, is the one I need to watch out for. Let's see what mess I'm in straight off the bat. One there, one there. That one's just moved to there, I think. Right, it's you I need to try and fend off. I heard the vent noise. That took about 1 second before I was dead. You know what's worse? I do better at the UCN than this one. Difficulty level impossible. Right, I'm gonna put an audio law there to try and get them to stay up top a little bit. There's one noise on my right.
I heard your call.
Fascinating. What they have become.
So I'm so quiet right now. Just full on focusing, listening. One there, one there, one there.
How can I resist a promise such as this?
Someone's on my left. think 2 or 3 of them are on the right now. Thanks for redeeming Damie.
That was easier than I thought it would be.
I had no chance. I heard the noise, I went to look, it didn't look in time. Because sometimes you hear the loud thump and it's dead. I mean, I did a lot better that time. Sorry if I'm going super quiet though on it. It's just, I need to listen. I actually didn't jump to the God's Breath one because like my brains was focusing purely on the game and blocking out other sounds. As long as I beat this one night, I'll be happy. Really? I think that's a retreat?
You may not recognize me at first, but I assure you, it's still me.
Yeah.
It feels like home.
Bittersweet, but fitting.
I turned to counter him because I heard the noise, but no. It's not even a consistent noise that happens before I die, it's just some sort of noise. I hope everyone's enjoying this so far. Of the Spawn die. Right, let's locate them first. So one there and one there at least. That one's moved down to there. So that noise. That's an obvious one. I don't know what this animatronic's doing. I don't know whether it's coming, going, or what. Or if it's the one behind me.
Where are you?
That's behind me. I'm surrounded, aren't I?
You may not recognize me at first, but I assure you, it's still me.
He's behind me, isn't he? This may be my last attempt before I wrap up stream. I know we're only at 2 hours 40, but because this FNAF game is the worst one for me. And I don't mean like worse as in bad, I mean worst for me to play. Because I have no idea. Which, yeah, it does make it a more terrifying FNAF game. I think I heard a noise. That's definitely on my right. And now that's in front of me because I'm not hearing it in the left ear. Well, I am, but I'm not hearing it in exclusively left. Someone's on my left. I think eventually I will be able to beat this, but I'm not sure if I'll be able to beat it on stream. had a fan up and that was still way too quiet. It's not like the game will be quiet for all of you, but it's pretty loud for me. Thanks, Amy. I don't think I do. Thanks as well, Don. You little shit. Get off my vent. Someone's in my left vent now. I was just trying to use that to see if there was someone in my left vent, but no. Now there is. And someone's in my left hand now. Like that. I think we're gonna leave it there for today. The problem I have with this FNAF game in particular is that the audio isn't consistent. And sometimes it's loud enough to hear, and sometimes you're lucky if you hear a tiny noise at all. And I have sensitive hearing too, so I should be able to hear them a bit more. But some cases I'm lucky if I hear the tiniest noise of them all. And sometimes they're sneaking into a vent without me knowing at all. I'll launch into this just so I can move my mouse. But yeah, I think I'm going to wrap up stream there for today. Let's go into Blueprint mode so we get the happier music. Like, never mind. I click off and it changes. Like, don't get me wrong, I do enjoy this FNAF game, but its vent audio is a bit nuts. By the way, thank you everyone for coming to today's stream. I forgot I needed to change off the mode outfit. Thanks for reading that. But yeah, thank you everyone for coming to today's stream. But I'm trying to think of words. I'm trying to come out of focus mode against them animatronics. Saturday stream is Prey, and then the weekend, the Saturday after, will be random games. Don't forget that now I have Monday streams which are Stardew exclusive, but I expect them to be long ones because, to be honest, I could go probably a lot longer if I wanted to than how last Monday went with Stardew Valley. But apart from that, go check out my socials where there's Twitter, YouTube, Discord links in there. Also, the Discord link is separate. Feel free to go check all of them things out and maybe join the server. Other than that, I think that's it for today. And I think, not fully sure. Let's see who is live. Hold on, let me check it. Who bonked? Right, I think I know who we're gonna go raid. We're gonna go raid Bex, who is currently playing Overwatch 2 at the minute. So everyone feel free to join me for the raid while I quickly change the screen and set that up. So again, thank you everyone for the followers, for the follows, the lurkers, the chatters, the redeems. I appreciate you all. And I shall see you all Saturday for Prey 2016. See you all next time.